Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text always uppercase in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make text always uppercase. At first, click inside the text box, then select the text, click and drag on your mouse. Then we want to make the text uppercase, go to the home menu. Then we can see here many options. Now I am select the change case option. We can see here the uppercase. Now we can see we make the text uppercase. Otherwise we go to the another slide, then create a text box, then write anything. Click inside the text box, then go to the home menu and select the change case option and choose uppercase. Then write your text. Now I am write any text. Now we can see always the text is uppercase. Otherwise you can use the keyboard. Always on your caps lock on your keyboard to write uppercase. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.